We're gonna play Minecraft. I know how to play Minecraft, so I can loading play. Go in here. Oh, yo. Bacteria.
Mamaya ako natitikopin yung iba dyan.
Okay. Wait, me. So loading. It's loading. I'm gonna go. The server is full. Looking for a new server. This is a guest server. It's minimize. Yo, we can walk like that. Yo, we can walk. Let's go over here. And what we're gonna do? Gagawin natin.
Hindi pa nila nasasarang to.
Oh, you were dying. What's that? Can still walk.
Tingin ko naman mamaya, hindi na masyado makamay kasi may taklob na eh. Party.
Yeah, we can walk over
No?
here.
Pwede yung nag-drive party.
Granny's over there, so we're gonna find him. And it's Granny's son. Hello. He's gonna fall in over here. And go over here. Yo, there's a stairs. Go over here. Going over there. I think we go over there. We can go over here. We can walk. So what are we gonna do? And we're gonna lost. Yo, I can play Minecraft.
Patay.
Yo, that's only
May saka mo kaya ako sa palengke.
bro.
Kasi bigla ka envelope.
Yo, it's under the cabinet. Bro, it's under the
Tapos,
cabinet.
ipapa-upload ko lang yung nabili ko sa
Yo,
Pinabili ako sa TikTok! Tinigyan ko tunay.
bro.
Oo, nalaman ko yun.
Bro, Minecraft is not even
Samahan mo ako, ma-release
Kasi
natin.
lang ngayon sa papa.
Tatawag ako sa Shigera. Kasi bibili rin ako ng envelope, kailangan mo taga-buhat.
Di ba nalabas?
Mali mo, hindi mo panapisan. Tawagan ko.
Anong oras?
Hindi, magre-request ka ng pera. Kaya pupunta rin ako doon. Tapos,
And let's swimming. Yo, already dead. Bro, what happened? We are in the back room, Screechas, and we're gonna pin those. Where's that guy?
Saan ba siya nagpatas?
Bro, what we're gonna do in here? First time. Yo, we can still.
hi Lia.
Yo.
Ne! Mga anong oras ka kaya uuwi?
No, I'm-
Baka magpapasama sana ako kay Pastor Al sa palengke. Mga anong oras ka kaya makakauwi?
Yes.
Magpapasama kasi ako kay Pastor Al. May kailangan kaming bilhin para sa school, mga envelope. Kasi releasing na bukas na report card. Para may tagabuhat ako.
Bro, that's him. We are into the.
Anong oras ka uwi? Anong oras ka uwi? Uwi ka na ngayon? Aray ko, ang sakit naman sa puso. 500 ka ba lang? 500 lang.